Moto Tag launched in 2 shades to rival Apple's AirTag. Grab 4 in just $99. If you're a tracker geek of the modern day, you won't refute the fact that Apple AirTag has catalyzed the campaign against theft and robbery of high-end gadgets. It further rose to popularity for its vast network and extra features like UWB to ensure a much greater extent of accuracy than other Bluetooth trackers. However, its replacement has made a startling appearance as the Moto Tag is launched today, bringing an end to those seeking a tracker with decent feature richness. Announced in late June, the Moto Tag is available to be grabbed, but unfortunately, from select retailers only. The list of these retail platforms doesn't include platforms like the popular e-commerce juggernaut Amazon. Yet, those eagerly seeking this tracker can head to the company's official website. For early adopters, it's a limited time offer to snag a bundle of 4 Moto Tags from Motorola's website for just $99. In the pack of 4, 2 come in starlight blue and 2 in sage green colorways. Don't fret, you don't have any plans to buy a whole lot of Moto Tags, as you can also grab a single Moto Tag for $29. While it accommodates almost all the sought-after features and functions of a regular tracker, it's pretty much a clone of Apple's AirTag in all respects, including its design, price, and a button which is used as a remote shutter for any Android device.